The Insta360 Go 2 costs £295 and the Hero 9 costs £380. But if you want the same horizon leveling capabilities as the Go 2, then you'll also need to buy the Max Lens mod, which costs £100. Out of the box, the Go 2 includes some handy accessories and built-in 28GB of usable storage, so you can start filming straight away. Out of the box, the Hero 9 comes with a case, but you'll need to buy a head mount, chest mount and micro SD card separately if you haven't got one already. The Go 2 on its own weighs 26 grams, the Go 2 in the charging case weighs 89 grams, and the Hero 9 with the Max mod weighs 181 grams. See if you can guess which camera is which before I reveal it later. The Go 2 can film 1440p video up to 50 frames per second, and the Hero 9 and Max mod can film 1440p video up to 60 frames per second. In these comparison videos, I am using the optimal settings on both cameras to strike a balance between speedy workflow and high quality video. For punchy social media colors, I am using the standard color profile on the Go 2 and GoPro color profile on the Hero 9. Horizon leveling and stabilization is on both cameras. There is currently no sharpness control on the Go 2. The Hero 9 is set to low sharpening, and then I'll add some extra sharpening in post. The bitrate on both cameras is set to high. The Go 2 will record video at 80 megabits per second, and the Hero 9 will record video at 100 megabits per second. I am recording these videos in the most practical way possible. I am not using my phone to change the settings. I will only change the settings which are available to me on the cameras itself. On the Go 2, there is no way for me to control the auto exposure, manual exposure, or white balance. I have to connect the Go 2 to the Insta360 app to get access to these settings. On the Hero 9, I can control the auto exposure, manual exposure, and white balance on the camera itself. The Go 2 has one microphone on top of the camera and the Hero 9 has three, and they both have wind noise reduction modes. Let's see how these cameras compare when it comes to audio quality. So this is an audio sample from the GoPro Hero 9 with wind noise reduction on because it is a little bit breezy at the moment. And this is an audio sample from the Insta360 Go 2 with wind noise reduction on as well. The Go 2 has a lens guard pre-installed to protect your lenses, and you can swap it out for an ND filter to achieve a more cinematic look. The Hero 9 does not have a lens guard and you cannot attach ND filters. The Go 2 can take 9 megapixel photos and the Hero 9 can take 20 megapixel photos. Since the Go 2 is really lightweight, it can be easily used as a camera on FPV drones as well. The mounts are what makes the Go 2 so fun to use. It's really easy to mount the camera on your head and chest without having to wear a traditional head mount or chest mount. There are no screens on the Go 2, so you will be filming completely blind. The Hero 9 has dual screens, so you can compose your shot whilst filming. The Go 2 camera itself has no mounting points, but the back of the camera is magnetic and it has a strong grip on metallic surfaces. There are very affordable mounts available to mount the Go 2 onto 1/4" 20 and GoPro finger accessories as well. Best of all, it is effortless to swap the Go 2 between different mounts. The Hero 9 has GoPro fingers on the bottom. Although this is the safest way to mount your action camera, it does take time to swap your Hero 9 between different mounts. The Go 2 battery life on its own will last anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. The Go 2 in the charging case will last anywhere between 80 to 120 minutes. And the Hero 9 will last between 80 to 100 minutes. The Go 2 is waterproof up to 4 meters and the Hero 9 is waterproof up to 10 meters. The Hero 9 does have some features which the Go 2 does not have, like GPS, voice control, scheduled recording and hindsight. If, for example, you want to press record on the cameras, record 30 seconds of video and have the cameras automatically stop recording, both the cameras can do this by setting the capture time on the Go 2 and duration on the Hero 9. The Insta360 app makes it super quick and easy to view your Go 2 footage in the app, make flexible edits, and upload your shot onto social media. This process is not as smooth on the GoPro app. So should you go for the Go 2 or GoPro? Well, in terms of video quality, both these cameras are pretty much like for like. The Insta360 footage almost looks like GoPro footage. If you're on a budget, then I recommend the Go 2 because it's better value for money. It's £185 less than the Hero 9 and Max Lens mod, and you get all the accessories and storage in the box. So as soon as you receive your Go 2, you're ready to start filming. If you need an action camera for travel vlogging, then the Go 2 will save you space in your bag. The accessories out of the box will let you mount your Go2 literally anywhere, and the Insta360 app will let you share your highlights on social media in just a few taps. But if you're someone who films plenty of footage, then the internal 28 gig storage on the Go2 is simply not enough for you. There is no way to add an external micro SD card, so when the storage is full on the Go2, you will have to transfer the footage to your phone, which can take a very long time, or you need to transfer the footage to your PC, in which case the Hero 9 might be a better option for you with removable and replaceable micro SD cards. Having said that, Insta360 are working on ways to make the file sizes smaller and the transfer speeds faster, so when these features do become available, this will make the Go2 much more enjoyable to use. That's it for this comparison video. Hit the like button if you learned something new, comment down below if you have a question, subscribe for more comparison videos in 360 seconds or less, and I'll see you in the next video.